Hi friends, today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. Spring is starting to spring and I really need to decorate the table in my front entryway, so I thought we could do that today for a tiny, tidy. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take everything off of the table in the front entryway, give it a good clean, and then I want to put everything back. I was on my way home from a little mini trip this weekend and I put my front entryway table into AI and asked for a spring arrangement, and this is what it gave me. And I kind of like parts of it, so I thought that I would try to recreate a little bit. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I've pulled out that I may or may not use. So in the image that it created for me, it placed this ginger jar in the center with some spring floral. I think it was like daisies or something. So I went to Michael's and I found these little sprigs of spring floral. They were on sale for $4.99 each, so I got 4 of those, and I thought that I could put them in this ginger jar in front of the mirror just like it is in the picture. We're gonna see how that works, but I'm probably I feel like I'm definitely going to use that. Before I did the picture, I actually had gotten this to put in my front entryway. I'm gonna try it. I think it will work. If not, I have somewhere else that I can use it. But it's like this box. I got it at Home Goods and it has this snap on it. And I really like this. I like the fact that you can store things in it. I like the texture of it. It's kind of a wicker and it has this leather. So it's something a little bit different. It's not like something that is it's not something that I feel like it's a timeless piece. I feel like it's not something that is, just going to be like a one season and done kind of thing. So I did pick this up over the weekend. And normally I do not buy candles. If I buy a candle, it's normally a natural candle, but I was in line at Home Goods to check this out and I happened to smell this flower, and it's from the brand Sand and Fog, and it's called Flower Garden. And it just smells so good. And I did not realize when I got it, but it has some little bunny rabbits and some spring floral on the top. So I'm going to try to incorporate this into my little entryway table scape situation. Then there are other things that I pulled in. Again, I don't know which little things I'm going to use, which I will not use. This is like a rabbit. I have a couple of silver rabbits. Not sure if I will use them or not. I have a couple of white rabbits. That's always a possibility. They're not the same size. None of these are, and that's kind of why I'm on the fence about it. The inspiration had some smaller ginger jars. I pulled these from another room in my home. They're not exactly the same, but I think I could maybe go with that same kind of look from the inspiration. So I may use these. I also just kind of pulled this. This is a little bowl that has a little bunny. I'm not really into the sparkle eggs. I actually think I'm going to declutter these this year. So if I decide to use this, I will put something else in here, but I just think it's kind of cute. And I did also pull from another room this larger ginger jar because I thought it could be a possibility as well for that center. So these are the things that I'm kind of thinking about using. Everything else I'm going to store away for the season, but we're just going to kind of play with it, see what kind of arrangement we can come up with. Again, give that area a good clean, and that will be our tiny tidy for today.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold
happen to be new to my channel, I just want to take a moment and introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of content here on my channel, mostly centered around homemaking and all things for the home. I am a former teacher, always a teacher at heart. I am a heart warrior and I do have chronic illness, and I am just so happy that you found my channel, and I hope that you find this video motivating or inspiring in some way, shape, or form. Sometimes on Tuesdays I like to do a tiny tidy Tuesday, and that is something that takes very limited time but yet makes an impact. So I hope you can join me on Tuesdays.
Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight. I can smell the shore. It's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
I just want to thank you for spending part of your day with me and helping me tidy here in my front entryway. I want to know in the comments, which one did you like best? A, where I used this ginger jar with the white, or B, like it is now, or some combination of both, because personally I kind of like a combination of both of them, so I'm feeling like I may play with it a little bit more. I would just like to invite you, if you are new to my channel, to click on that subscribe button. It is completely and totally free, and it really helps to support me. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I hope you have a great Tuesday. Bye-bye.